To Allah belong the east and the west, whithersoever the turn. There is the presence of Allah, for Allah is all-pervading, all-knowing. They say, Allah hath begotten a son. Glory be to him. Nay, to him belongs all that is in the heavens and on earth. Everything renders worship to him. To him is due the primal origin of the heavens and the earth. When he decrees a matter, he saith to it, Be, and it is. Say those without knowledge, Why speaketh not Allah unto us? Or why cometh not unto us a sign? So said the people before them words of similar import. Their hearts are alike. We have indeed made clear the signs unto any people who hold firmly to faith in their hearts. Verily, we have sent thee in truth as a bearer of glad tidings and a warner. But of thee no question shall be asked of thee, companions of the blazing fire. Never will the Jews or the Christians be satisfied with the endless thou. Follow their form of religion. Say, the guidance of Allah, that is the only guidance. Wert thou to follow their desires after the knowledge which hath reached thee, then wouldst thou find neither protector nor helper against Allah. Those to whom we have sent the book, study it as it should be studied. They are the ones that believe therein. Those who reject faith therein, the loss is their own. O children of Israel, call to mind the special favor which I bestowed upon you, and that I preferred you to all others for my message. Then guard yourselves against a day when one soul shall not avail another, nor shall compensation be accepted from her, nor shall intercession profit her, nor shall anyone be helped from outside. And remember that Abraham was tried by his Lord with certain commands, which he fulfilled. He said, I will make thee an imam to the nations. He pleaded, and also imams, from my offspring. He answered, but my promise is not within the reach of evildoers. Remember, we made the house a place of assembly for men and a place of safety. And take the station of Abraham as a place of prayer. And we covenanted with Abraham and Ismael that they should sanctify my house for those who compass it round, or use it as a retreat, or bow, or prostrate themselves therein in prayer. And remember, Abraham said, My Lord, make this a city of peace, and feed its people with fruits. Such of them as believe in Allah and the last day. He said, Yea, and such as reject faith. For a while will I grant them their pleasure, but will soon drive them to the torment of fire. An evil destination indeed. And remember, Abraham and Ismail raised the foundations of the house with this prayer, Our Lord, accept this service from us, for thou art the all-hearing, the all-knowing. Our Lord, make of us Muslims, bowing to thy will, and of our progeny a people Muslim, bowing to thy will, and show us our place for the celebration of due rites, and turn unto us in mercy, for thou art the oft-returning, most merciful.